Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the today's episode of Sahasrayaga of Sahasra Yoga, an online lecture series on Sahasra Yogam by Tadvita Sambhasha Parishad. Myself, Dr. Pallavi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Rasashastra and Vaishesha Kalpana, Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Hubballi. Today, I am going to discuss about the formulation named Ashwagandhadi Kashaya, which is mentioned in Kashaya Prakarana Sahasra Yoga. ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧ ಅಮೃತ ಅಭಿರು ದಶಮೂಲಿ ಬಲ ವೃಷಃ ಪುಷ್ಕರ ಅತಿವಿಷಜ್ಞಂತಿ ಕ್ಷಯಂ ಕ್ಷೀರ ರಸಾಶಿಹಂ. As the first drug of this formulation is ashwagandha, it is named as Ashwagandhadi Kashaya. The ingredients are ashwagandha, amrita or guduchi, abhiru or shatavari, dashamula, that is it contains both Laghu Panchamula and Brihat Panchamula, bala, vasa, Pushkara Moola and Ativisha. Totally, Ashwagandhadi Kashaya contains 8 ingredients. This formulation contains 10 parts of Dashamula, so Dashamula can be considered as main ingredient here. Rest of the ingredients 1 part each and Jala 16 part for the preparation of Kashaya. Method of preparation. Kashaya is prepared as per the classical method of Kashaya preparation. Here, coarse powder of all the above ingredients are taken with 16 part of jala. Next, it is boiled over a mandagni till the jala reduces to 1/8 part. After complete cooling, the kashaya should be filtered through a clean cloth and stored well. Indication. As per the Falashruti, this yoga is indicated in Rajakshma patients with a special diet, that is Kshira and Mamsarasa. Dose 1 to 2 pala with Sukhoshna Jala. Mode of action in Rajakshma. Most of the drugs in this formulation are having Rasayana property. For example, Ashwagandha, Dashamula, Guduchi, Shatavari do the Dhatu Poshana in Rajakshma patients. Drugs like Guduchi, Ativisha do Deepana, Pachana, Amanirharana, Srotoshodhana and Agni Sandukshana Karma. When it comes to Ekadasha Rupa and Shadrupa of Raja Yakshma, Kasa, Shvasa, Jvara, Aruchi, Parshvashula, Svarabheda, Amsatapa, Atisara, Shonita Darshana are some of the symptoms of Ekadasha Rupa and Shadrupa of Raja Yakshma. Here, drugs like Vasa, Dashamula are having Kasahara properties, so helps in treating Kasa in Rajakshma patients. Guduchi, Dashamula are best Jvarahara Dravyas, so Jvara of Rajakshma patients can be treated here. Pushkara Moola is the best Parshvashulahara Dravya and Parshvashula in Rajakshma patients can be relieved. Svarabheda, Snigdha Guna of Ashwagandha and Guduchi helps in relieving Svarabheda. Atisara and Aruchi. Most of the drugs here are having Deepana Pachana property and helps in treating Atisara and Aruchi in Rajakshma patients. Shonita Darshana. Vasa is the best Raktastambhaka Dravya and helps in treating Shonita Darshana in Rajakshma patients. Shirashula, Ashwagandha and Dashamula are having Vatanulomana property, so helps in treating Shirashula. Ashwagandha is the best immunomodulator, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, nervine tonic, excellent general tonic and adaptogenic in nature. According to researchers, Ashwagandha shows significant improvement in body weight of the pulmonary tuberculosis patients. Also increased the bioavailability of anti-tubercular drugs like isoniazid. Availability other than Rajakshma, this Ashwagandhadi Kashaya can be administered in pre and post menstrual syndromes, pre and post menopausal conditions, Shotha, Amavata, Sandhivata, borderline hypertension, BPH and also in lactating mothers, Jaravyadhi, Shirashula, sleeping disorders, etc. Pre and post menopausal syndrome. Ashwagandha, as it contains alkaloids which acts as anti-stress agents and helpful in treating symptoms like irritability, sleeplessness in menopausal females, and also helps in treating palpitations and hot flushes. Most of the women suffer from arthritic changes during this period. Guduchi and Dashamula Ashwagandha Shatavari helps in these conditions. Next indication, during menstruating age, Shatavari acts as a best uterine tonic. In menstruating age, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, Guduchi acts as a best Rasayana Dravyas. Dashamula, which is the best Vatanulomakka and controls Apanavata and helpful in dysmenorrhea. In lactating mothers, Ashwagandha, Shatavari are best lacto-promoting drugs. Dashamula, Guduchi helps in bringing back the body to its normal state after delivery. Shotha, Dashamula acts as the best Shotahara Dravya. Amavata, here Guduchi and Dashamula helps in treating Amavata. Borderline hypertension, Ashwagandha Shatavari acts as the best Vata Pittahara Dravya. Dashamula acts as the best Vatanulomaka Dravya and helps in treating borderline hypertension. Jara Vyadhi, in old age, all the dhatus will be in Kshayavastha. So, Rasayana drugs like Guduchi, Ashwagandha, Shatavari are helpful. Ashwagandha is the best nervine tonic and anti-stress agent. Helps in treating dementia, sleeplessness in Jaravastha. Dashamula Guduchi helps in treating arthritic changes in old aged persons. Gokshura, which is one among the Dashamula, is helpful in treating BPH, which is the best Mutrala Dravya. So, to conclude, Ashwagandhadi Kashaya is Tridosha Shamaka, mainly Vata Pittahara, Balya, Rasayana, Dhatu Poshaka, Kasashvasa and Shotahara. So, in correct clinical practice, Ashwagandhadi Kashaya can be prescribed in a conditions like pulmonary tuberculosis, it is Rajakshma, Sandhivata, Amavata, Shirashula, menstrual related problems, menopausal issues, and in all the old age related problems. Thank you.